Hello everyone. So first of all, congratulations to all of you, those who have cleared the PGP CT examination. This is a huge achievement. I can understand the amount of hard work and dedication it takes to get here. So the question is, what is next? In today's video, we are going to talk about the essential steps that we have to take after clearing the PGP CT exam. So let's dive in. So the first thing first, let's research the colleges where you can pursue your masters, your post graduation, and your specialization, and make a list of all of those colleges. Look into their reputation, their faculties, and the specialization offered, the facilities available at the college, at the campus, at their hostel. So accordingly, make a list of those top choices of your. Next point is admission process. Each college might have some different type of admission process, so keep updated with the dates for admission, for the counseling processes, and get ready with the document that you have to show at the time of admission process. This is very important point. So let's deeply thought about the specialization you have to pursue into your masters, because MHS provides only four specialization. First one is musculoskeletal, then cardiopulmonary, then neuro, and the fourth one is sports. So you have to decide whether you have to go for these four, whether you have to choose from these four, or you have to take admission at different university at different specialization field. So think accordingly. Again, don't worry about it. I am going to make separate video regarding specialization, regarding masters of physiotherapy, the fields available for masters of physiotherapy. This is very important point. Plan your finances is a very important point for your post graduation admission, because the PG can be more expensive as compared to UG, because there are so many private colleges which has some fees more than lakhs. So you have to plan accordingly, whether you have to look for any scholarship, whether any financial assistance or something like that, and education loans are available. So think about that. Budgeting ahead of time can ease the pressure later on. Very important point. Stay updated with the admission process, whether there are any changes in the admission process, the documents you are needed, there are any changes. If there are any changes, keep yourself updated with the admission process. Stay in touch with the colleges websites or some seniors of yours who are pursuing already masters there, to keep updated yourself. Post graduation is intense and it demands a lot of commitment, so be ready with that. So mentally prepare yourself for the challenges ahead, but also remember, you will grow and learn immensely in your masters. Clearing the PGP CT is just the beginning of your exciting journey of masters and world of physiotherapy. So take these steps, stay focused, and most importantly, stay passionate about your field. If you have any questions, if you need any guidance, feel free to ask me in comment section, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Many more videos are on the way. All the best for your future endeavors.